Factors to consider before buying dividend stocks. Investing in publicly traded stocks that pay dividends can be an excellent strategy for investors seeking to generate passive income and increase their wealth over the long term. However, there are several factors that should be considered when making an investment decision in this type of stock. One of the most important factors to consider is the company's history of dividend payments. It is important to look for companies that have a strong history of regular dividend payments, as this indicates that the company has a stable cash flow and is likely to continue paying dividends in the future. Another important factor to consider is the dividend yield. The dividend yield is calculated by dividing a stock's annual dividend by its current price. A higher dividend yield means that the stock is providing a higher return in terms of dividend income. However, it is important to note that a higher dividend yield may also indicate a lower share price or a lower dividend. The company's growth outlook is also an important factor to consider. It is important to look for companies that have strong growth potential in the future, as this can provide a higher long-term return. Research should be done on the company's financial situation, its future projections and goals, new markets and products, among other aspects. The price-value relationship is an important factor to consider when investing in dividend stocks. It is important to look for companies that have an attractive share price in relation to their intrinsic value, as this can provide higher long-term profitability. Finally, it is important to keep in mind that investing in dividend stocks also carries risks. It is important to diversify your investment portfolio and do prior research before making an investment decision. It is advisable to be aware of economic and political news that may affect the companies in which you are invested. In summary, there are several factors to consider when investing in publicly traded stocks that pay dividends. These include the company's history of dividend payments, the dividend yield, the company's growth outlook, the price-to-value ratio, and the risk associated with the investment. It is important to research and analyze these factors before making an investment decision, and keep in mind that investing in dividend stocks also carries risks. It is advisable to diversify your investment portfolio, be aware of economic and political news that may affect the companies in which you are invested, and follow a long-term investment plan. I hope you liked this video, and that it has provided you with valuable information on the most important factors for investing in dividend stocks. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting content about investments and finance. See you next time.